It was delicious, if you're wondering.
Look, you know how work can be. Just got that up, okay?
What happened to us, Elon? You never used to lie to me like this.
So what did you do this tonight? I'm really tired.
Wait, Elon, I have something for you to hear, and I really want you to hear it, okay?
I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled forward as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets the water halfway through the woods. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. I have been changed for good.
You know, let's just... I'm sorry I made you go through that. I'm going through some issues right now.
Eric, hold on.
You don't have...
Eric.